Hi, this is our billing software. In this billing software, cash bill, product details, customer details, and buyer details are all available here itself. Let us look at the billing section. Here, we can create bills through cash, credit, or check. We enter the product name, quantity, measurement, and rate. If the item is available in stock, the details can be fetched directly from the stock. The GST value will also come from the stock. If you select Include GST, the GST amount will be adjusted within the amount you enter. Otherwise, GST will be added separately. You can enter a discount value based on the total amount. If the payment is through check, you can enter the check number. If you enter the customer name or buyer name, their details will be displayed. It will show how much previous balance they have with us. If customer balance printing is enabled, the bill can display the customer's previous balance and pending amount. In addition, if the goods are sent through transport, we can enter the complete transport details. You can choose whether you need the original bill, duplicate bill, or both. Next is bill type. The bill type can be purchase or sales. Purchase means the bill used when we buy goods from suppliers for our shop. For example, wholesalers supply products to us. Sales means the bill that we provide to customers. For tax selection, if sales are within the state, you can choose state tax. If the product is transported to another state, we can generate a central tax bill. For printing, you can choose whether you want an A4 sheet or a thermal printer format. You can configure the printer settings accordingly. These are the details available in the billing screen. Next is product management. You can enter all your products along with purchase price, selling price, HSN code, product type, and GST value. If you maintain stock, you can enter the stock quantity and maintain stock balance automatically. For reports, you can generate print preview, export as PDF or Excel, and share reports with customers through WhatsApp or email. If your printer is connected, printing can be done directly. Tax slabs can be updated whenever required, and the changes will automatically reflect in the software. There is also a bill type for quotations. Sometimes customers come only to get a quotation. For that purpose, Bill 2 is used. Bill 1 is the original bill, whereas Bill 2 is only for quotation purposes. Next is company information. If you enter all your company details, those details will automatically appear on all bills. Your company name, address, GST number, mobile number, and other information will be reflected on the bill. Similarly, if you enter your bank details, they can also be printed on the bill. You can choose whether the original bill should be printed, whether the duplicate bill should be printed, and where those details should appear. I have explained this in a very simple manner. If you need a more detailed explanation about this software, please contact me. My name is Ramesh. Phone number 6385802614. Thank you.